Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to introduce to you R-Leaf, a technology based on photocatalysis that is sprayed on crops, and it converts air pollution to nitrogen fertilizer. And at the same time, it will validate a carbon footprint reduction by destroying the greenhouse gas N2O. We're cleaning the air one leaf at a time. What is the problem? 60% of the global N2O emissions are due to agriculture. Barley itself has 50% of its carbon footprint because of synthetic nitrogen. That's the culprit. The farmers are facing yield and cost inputs volatility and putting their profitability at risk. And there's a lot of pressure for Scope 3 emissions to be reduced, and currently there's no cost-effective or feasible and scalable solution to address this at the farm level. This is why we developed R-Leaf. It delivers a proven technology that destroys the greenhouse gas N2O permanently. It's very practical for the farmers to use, as they just add it into the spraying tank with other inputs. And we're only using 2 liters that enables a reduction of the synthetic nitrogen by 25%. The reduction of the carbon footprint is validated using our methodology, which has been proven by, which has been approved and proven and verified by SustainCert and the International Carbon Registry. In short, R-Leaf enables Scope 3 reductions at no cost to the farmer. I promise that I'll explain how it works quite simply. So a photocatalyst is a mineral that when it's exposed to UV light, it will produce surface active chemistry. And it's that catalyzes the nitrous oxides. Now, our invention is that we enable this to happen in open air, which means under visible light, outdoors. So we have worked with many universities and experts in the industry and research institutes to prove this. All the work is published and is out there for your perusal. We're using 2 liters per hectare per season with a very low LCA, and we've got 5 years of efficacy trials in the field. Remember, this is not at lab scale. We're in thousands of hectares. The exciting part, thank you to AB InBev who have supported this pilot study, and we deployed R-Leaf on 600 hectares of malting barley at Dyson's farm. Yes, Dyson owns a big farm in the UK. So we used our methodology to validate a removal which averaged at 2 tons per hectare of carbon dioxide equivalent. This has produced a carbon negative barley. That's exciting. And we use that very barley to produce beer, which if you come down to our booth, you can taste what success looks like. Argentina is a very important market for AB InBev, so we've done trials there in plots to ensure the benefits of the agronomy, looking at the quality of the seeds, but also aiming to reduce the synthetic nitrogen by 25% without a penalty in yield. Because of the differences in seasonality, we have the results, we're expecting the results in January 26, but we don't expect anything different than the performance we've seen of R-Leaf in the last 5 years. We want to thank AB InBev for supporting financially the project, but also to say that we have spent over 5 million in this technology, and we've been supported by the UK government under Innovate UK, Bill Gates under Breakthrough Energy, and importantly, the European Union for scaling this up. So we validated that we can cover millions of hectares with this technology, and Climate Kick for raising awareness. We're a lean team of scientists, sustainability experts, finance, and also project management. I'm Apostolos Papadopoulos, the founder and CEO of Crop Intellect, and also the inventor of the technology. You don't have to challenge yourself, just do what Ben did, call me Tollis. So we've made our leaf happen. Now we're scaling up the success with AB InBev to set a benchmark in sustainable brewing. Together, we can clean the air one beer at a time. Cheers.